I am going to sixth problem in exercise 11.1. Sixth problem is a chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeters subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. Okay. Look in this figure. O is the center of circle. PQ is the chord of circle. Okay. Therefore, OPRQ is a minor sector. Okay. In this problem, we find out area of the minor segment and major segment. Okay. This highlight region is minor segment area. Remaining area is major segment area. Okay. In this problem given radius, that means R equal to OP equal to OQ equal to 15 centimeters. Okay. Therefore, area of sector OPRQ equal to, we know the formula, area of sector formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. In this problem given theta is 60 degrees. So 60 by 360 into pi means 3.14. 3.14. R means 15. So R square. So that means 15 whole square. Okay. In 16 table, 6 times cancellation. So here we get 15 whole square means 225. Overall we get here 1 by 6 into 3.14 into 15 whole square means 225. Here we get value 117.275 centimeter square. Okay. Next. Therefore, area of minor segment. Now we find area of minor segment. From this figure, we observe triangle OPQ. From triangle OPQ, area of triangle OPQ equal to, we observe from this figure, triangle OPQ is a equilateral triangle. So, we know the area of equilateral triangle formula, square root of root 3 by 4a square. Here a means 15, that means radius OP and OQ. So, a value is 15. Substitute here, we get value root 3 by 4 into 15 whole square. Okay. This value simplify. We get 15 whole square is 225 into root 3 by 4. Okay. Therefore, now we find out the area of minor segment. Area of minor segment equal to, from this figure we observe area of minor segment is equal to area of minor sector OPRQ minus area of triangle, area of triangle OPQ. Okay, OPQ. We observed this is the minor sector OPRQ minus area of triangle OPR. We get this highlight region. This is the minor area of minor segment. Okay, area of minor sector value is 117.275 and minus area of triangle OPQ value is 225 into root 3 by 4. This value simplification, we get root 3 value is 1.273. Okay, root 3 value is 1.273. In 4 table, 225 is cancellation. We get in 4 table 225 is cancellation. We get here 56.25. Root 3 value is 1.73. Here we get value 117.75 minus 56.25 into 1.73 value is 97.3125. Here we get 20.4375 centimeter square. This is the area of minor segment. Now we find out area of major segment. Area of major segment equal to, from this figure we observe overall whole area of circle minus area of minor segment. We get area of major segment equal to, you know the formula, area of circle formula is pi r square minus area of minor segment value is 20.4375 centimeter square. Pi means in this problem 3.214. R square means R value is 15. R square is 225 minus 20.4375. Here we get overall value is 3.14 into 225 value is 706.5 minus 20.4375. We get 686.0625 centimeter square. This is the area of major segment. Okay, understood this problem? Thank you. Okay.